Hey y'all, it is me, Princess Joe. I am back with another video. I just want to make this quick intro for y'all, just to let y'all know what we're doing in this video. Today I'm going to try Fulani box braids. I've seen this hairstyle like a couple times on Pinterest, and I've been wanting to try it. So we're just gonna be experimenting on this hair today. This is how it looks when I actually drive because I'm 4'11" and I need this pillow. Don't text and drive, okay? Because it's dangerous out here. But we're going to the hair supply store. I'm going to show y'all what I'm getting. I'm mixing the two colors 4 and 27 to get like a little blondish, brownish moment. But I will see y'all when I get there. Alright, we're here, guys. Guys, this is the best ice cream. Get the ice cream. Milk and cookies. Get this ice cream right here. Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please. Finally made it back home and got straight into the hair. So here I am, just parting my hair, making sure everything looks good and straight. I am using the FaceTime hack where you just FaceTime another device that you have. Or if you have a smart TV, you can hook up your phone to that as well. This makes it a little more easier for me, just so I can see the back of my head and finish a little bit more quicker. Once I finally finished my pre-parts, I ended up starting my braiding process. 2 packs of the runway hair in the colors 4 and 27, braiding gel, and wave rods.
No sleeping in my bed, no sleeping in my bed. And we gon' play until the day. I said no sleeping in my bed, no sleeping in my bed. Yeah, we gon' play, then we'll sleep all through the day and do it again. Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night. All through the late night.
12 seconds later.
So after my little dance break there, I am continuing on doing the front of my head. This part was a little more challenging for me just because every time I wanted to grip each piece of hair, my hand would cramp up and that would cause me to stop. But I kept going and I trusted the process. I think the more I did it, the more easier it became. You just gotta trust the process sometimes, y'all. Just trust the process.
Three days later.
You won't say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because.
I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair because I was supposed to do the ends for this and like the pieces I left out when I was braiding. So I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. Right now I'm just getting ready to head to the store, so I'm just going to do like a quick get ready with me. I don't really wear makeup like that, but so I literally just use this eyebrow mascara and like some blush. So like these are like the only things that I pretty much use. I don't wear like a lot of makeup because first off my skin is sensitive as freak. Is that eczema? Like I would rather not have so much on this because at the end of the day I'm gonna forget that I have makeup on.
Braids, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else
Here's the makeup look. It's not that great or anything spectacular, but just a little eyebrow, some tinted foundation, some lip gloss, and some blush. Like, that's pretty much it.
I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl did.
I'm doing my edges and my makeup. The finished look. So the stuff that I'm using to curl my hair is just like these little curlers. These are my old curlers, and then I bought more just in case if I need more. But these are the stuff I'm using now to curl my hair. They are kind of different sizes. I have more of the smaller ones in here. This one's more like a medium. So I'm gonna actually do like 2 to 3 pieces together with these small ones that I left the braid out for. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna use these. So it could be like bigger curls at the bottom. It's a little harder to like navigate where I pulled the exact hair out in each braid. Since I'm combining the rollers, so I'm gonna do one by one. Some of them are longer than the others. It's gonna be a little uneven, but I think the curls will still come out nice, hopefully. So just bear with me, y'all. Hopefully it does come out super cute. I feel like it will. Usually when I do curls in my hair, they usually come out really good. So,
are you sure about that?
Yeah, but I think I'm done with the smaller pieces. Now I just have to go in with the bottom.
Got no sweat for real. I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. I'm fucking back. High as fuck, got your life for real. Just made a left call with a 32 man for real. Yeah, me and that nigga keep we be too can't forget. And I show it.
Still got my rollers on, but I'm about to show y'all how I dip my hair right now. I got my towel, because you need your towel, or you will be burning.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Using these because safety first.
Singing my heart on is my right on this fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And I don't gotta show my ass, so hold a flex on you. Santana, I'ma flex on you. Crash ain't my ass, so hold a flex on you. And with the beauty, I'ma handle you. Bitches, babies, the one that wear like a fucking ghost. And I know these niggas bad as fuck.
My hair about to take them out. Hopefully the curls came out nice and pretty. Wrap me next one.
I might just throw it in. These niggas ain't got no sweat for real. And I know.
Do the bottom ones first and then move on to the smaller ones up top. So let's see for the first one, because ooh, that one came out nice. Okay. Y'all, these curls are coming out so good right now. Like, actually. Look at that. Look at that. My goodness. These curls never let me down. Oops. This one.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's stuck on here. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to probably cut this. It's stuck. I found out it's too tight.
Bruh.
I couldn't even take it. Look at that.
I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah.
Curls came out really cute, y'all. Super cute.
Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. Yeah. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah. I got in my world, need somebody grow me a tree.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like it. If you want more content like this, please comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I told her FN on me. I need just a Glock. Do rolling